What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from FBS Broker. So, if you want to withdraw money from your FBS account or FBS Broker here, well, there are a number of things that you need to do and you need to access. So, first things first, you want to open up the FBS app here, log in into your account. Now, you'll notice at the bottom section of the screen, you have trade, positions, funds, and more. Now, in order for you to process a withdrawal here, you need to access your funds. So, go ahead and just press funds. Now you have two options here. You have deposit and withdraw. So since we want to make a withdrawal, just click on withdraw. Now in the withdrawal page, you should have a number of options here that you could use to make your withdrawal. Now again, depending on where you are, the options might be different for you. But in some cases, Visa and MasterCard should be immediately available for you. But again, where you are, it might be different. So in this case, go and just choose whichever you want to use. So for example, maybe you want to use your Visa or MasterCard here to make the withdrawal. So go and just press that. And from then on, just follow the on-screen steps and provide all the necessary information here to make the actual withdrawal. Now, obviously, you need to pass the verification phase first before you can actually unlock the withdrawals in your account here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.